Hey everyone, so welcome back. I welcome you all to yet another live session of Trading NAS 100. So, I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Doctor and Forex Trader. As you all know, we daily trade here NAS 100 and we are trying to pass a $10,000 funded challenge. And more than that, we are trying to teach you how to trade price action, how to maintain a good mindset while trading. Okay, so be with me. We'll be learning many more concepts regarding trading. So without wasting much time, let's get back to the screen and let's start our analysis for the day. So I hope my screen is very much visible to you and my voice is very much clear to you. Okay. So on your screen you can see is the analysis which we shared yesterday on the Instagram. Those who are not following me on Instagram can watch the description of this video. You will find the link. You can join there. There I share regular analysis of trades which you can use for yourself. Okay. So now let's get back to the NAS 100 chart and let's see what's the idea for today. So yesterday I did a mistake. I realized it afterwards. Otherwise we would have gotten a nice trade. So yesterday what I did was I took the entry after this candle considering it as a retest, but it was not a retest. It was just a breakout and then this was a retest, and here if a red candle would have been formed then I should have taken an entry, but I did a mistake and I have no regrets in accepting that because I know in trading you will do mistakes. Every day you will do mistakes, okay? But what matters is how much you lose when you are making a mistake. As I was not having much confidence, so I just use small position sizing, right? Our analysis was to the point. This was the analysis for a bullish trade, and see at this level there was a bullish engulfing candle. After that, see how it boomed, but we would have booked here or max here. That's it. I would be lying if I would say that I would be holding this trade till there or this. No, either 1 is to 2 or simple up to this point. So I won't be lying to you. Okay, what is here is here. There's no lying in that. So now our recap is over. Let me show you the progress of the challenge. You can see we stand at 10,066. Okay, once we reached up to 3.5%, but now we are at 0.6%, and that's the reality of trading. These things will happen regularly, and our current win rate is 50%. Okay, so now initially we had three winning trades in a row, and now we have three losing trades in a row. Okay, but has this disturbed my mindset? No, not at all. Okay, so without wasting the time, now let's head towards today. We'll clear all the previous drawings and now we'll make an analysis for the day. And you all know where we start. Like initially I'll be looking the chart at 1 day time frame. Okay, and now what you can see is from here it's an uptrend. Just wait for a second. So okay, this is our 1 day time frame chart. See this, it's a uptrend on 1 day, right? But here what we were considering yesterday was that this was a high, but this was a lower low. Okay, so currently the trend is not very much cleared up, right? So we can be looking for both side trades if we consider 1 day time frame. Now we will be looking at 4 hour time frame, right? So what does 4 hour time frame say to us? It's also not very much clear, because if we see it's there, it's a downtrend kind of thing. Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and a equal high currently. So viewpoint is not very much clear, right? Now let's shift to 1 hour time frame. On a short term, you can say on 1 hour we are bullish. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Let's see. Now 15 minutes time frame. On 15 minutes, what we'll do is we'll mark few levels, okay, which we'll be using for trading today. So let's make the first level very clearly. Everyone can see this level, right? So this level is very much clearly visible to you. Let's make it gray so that it's visible. Okay, and one more level we'll mark. I think we should mark this one. Okay, so these two are levels for the day, and third one also we may be needing this one. If we get a breakout, then for target we can use this also, right? So these are three major levels. Let's see if we have some minor levels also. You can think of this level as a minor level, right? There is a possibility that it may retrace to this point and then boom up. It's quite possible, right? So currently I would love to mark these much of levels only, right? Now let's make an analysis for the day. One analysis is a breakout, a retest, then this target. Okay, very simple. Bullish one, right? Second, a double top from here, or a bearish engulfing candle, nice one, then this will be the target. Okay, so currently these two ideas only. Let's see how market reacts, then we'll draw further ideas if it will be required. Please hit the like button if you are loving the analysis and it's helping you. If not, then no problem. I won't force you. So this is the analysis, right, for the day. So now as usual, sorry. So now as usual, the main work starts, that is waiting with the patience. Okay. So previously, in the previous week, my subscriber target was 50. Currently I am at 58, and in the end of this week I assume that my target count will be 100, and I hope you all will help me to reach there. Let's study some topic today, right? I think many of the people here don't know what a funded challenge is. So today in detail I'll explain you about a funded challenge, what is it, how it works, the complete scenario of a funded challenge. Okay, it will surely help many people. So let's start from complete basic, that what is a funded challenge. Okay, so there are few companies, right? I'll say few or even many companies who offers you capital to trade by following certain rules. Okay, and you will get to keep major of the profits you are making, and some few of the profits company will keep, right? These are the funded challenging companies. Okay, those companies providing you, for example, TFT, my Forex funds is currently in some issue, Funding Frontier, FTMO, and many more. Okay, so these are the companies. Okay, so now how do it all works? So there are, fixed set of some criterias, right, which you have to follow. How will you start? First you will buy a challenge, right? Let's suppose you are buying a $10,000 funded challenge. Okay, it mostly costs around $60 to $70, right? So let's assume you are a person A and you want to buy a funded challenge of $10,000. So now the person A will pay $60 to $65 or somewhere near about this to the company, and they will provide you a demo account with a ID and a password and a dashboard. Okay, with your ID password. In your dashboard you will be seeing your complete progress, how you are going in the account. Okay, so the person A now receives a MT4 or MT5 login details, right? You will get proper ID and your password. Now you log in that, you have a $10,000 funded account, phase 1 account. Okay, phase 1, there are two phases, phase 1 and phase 2, right? So on one side you have a dashboard and one side you have your MT5 or 4 account login. Okay, now what are the rules? First is target. Okay, and target, mostly all of the companies offer a 8% target. Okay, that you have to achieve 8% of this $10,000 to clear the challenge. Okay, and what is 8% of $10,000 is $800, right? Okay, second rule is your maximum stop loss. Okay, maximum stop loss means that if you blow this much of capital, your account will be blown up, your challenge will be failed. Okay, you have to buy a new challenge to start afresh, the old challenge is blown up. Clear? Okay, and what is this maximum loss most of the companies offer? It's almost 10%. Some offers 12% also, but majorly it's 10%. Okay, now fourth thing is a maximum stop loss in a day. That's mostly 5%. Like if in a single day you lose more than 5%, okay, if in a single day you lose more than 5%, that is of $10,000 or $500, if you lose more than $500 in a single day, then also you will fail, your account will be blown up. Okay, and I think these are the rules, right? There's no other hidden rule. This is the rules of phase 1, right? If you follow all these 3 4 rules, and being in these rules you hit the target, then your phase 1 will be achieved. You will be heading towards phase 2 now. Okay, now same thing will happen again. You will receive a new id password of mt4 or mt5 account. Okay, now you will log in it. But now there are some rules are changed. There is profit target is a little on the lower side in phase 2. Okay, so in phase 2 most of the companies offer a 5% target, while the stop loss rules is same. Okay, that 10% and 5% almost, but target is now lowered, right? And now suppose you, by following all the rules, you hit that target. Now you will get a verification mail from the company that you have to verify your profile. Then you will get a funded account of real $10,000, right? So suppose you have passed both the phases, phase 1 and phase 2, and now you have your funded account of $10,000. Now the rules are again same, that loss rules, that maximum 10% and in a day 5%. If you break any of the rule, then your account will be blown up. You have to again start from phase 1, right? Okay, so most companies give you your amount refunded, with which you use to buy the challenge if you get your first payout, right? Payout means after getting the funded account, you are trading good, you are following the rules, and you are making profits. So now with your first payout, you will be eligible for the initial amount also to get refunded. Okay, you will get your money back plus some payouts. And most of the companies offer 85% split. Suppose on a $10,000 you manage to make $500 in a month, right? So now you will be eligible to keep $350 with you, or I think more. 70% is 350, 80% is 400, $425, right? You will be eligible to keep $425 with you. Okay, and $75 company will keep, and you will get a $425 payout if you manage to make $500 profit. This is how a funded company works. Okay, I hope I was able to clear you everything, right? How a funded challenge works. There's some news in the market that the money is virtual or this or that. I'll tell you one thing, be it virtual, be it real. What you have to do is just do good trading. It's none of your business that the money is real or demo. They'll give you payout if you are buying a challenge from a reputed company. There are many big companies, big players, they give regular payouts, right? So this is the whole thing regarding the funded challenge. And there are different account sizes which have many different profit splits, rules, everything is different. Many more options are available for you. Like you can get a $25,000 account, $50,000 account, $1 lakh account, even 500K, $5 lakh account, right? Rules are same for each and every account. Yeah, there are some other challenges. This is the main evaluation challenge, but there are also some rapid, royal, in which rules are little strict, but you get early payout if you are such a consistent and a experienced trader. But these companies are designed to make you lose your challenge. Okay, you have to be very 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 strong and a very experienced trader to clear this challenge and and manage to get a payout from it. If you get a funded challenge cleared and you get a real funded account, then read the rules very carefully. Okay, the rules are very much important. Once I lost a funded account of $10,000, I cleared it. I just lost for a foolish rule that you have to open a trade. Before opening the trade, you have to enter the stop loss. Like if you have by chance opened a trade without entering any, immediately your account will be blown up. I didn't knew that this was a rule. I thought maybe I'll get 5 7 seconds to enter the stop loss. The trade was so fast that I entered it, and immediately I received a mail that you have violated and your account is blown. And I was shell shocked. What a rubbish rule. Then I got to know, yeah, these companies are made to make you lose the challenge. Okay, they will not favor you to clear the challenge. So you have to be very stubborn to clear this. Yeah, you should have a good, self confidence that I will clear it. I'll get a payout. I'll change my life. This is a very good opportunity. If you are a good trader, skilled trader, then this is, a game changing opportunity for you, because everyone doesn't have a good capital to trade initially. So now let's wait and see how market reacts. It's almost breaking out, but I'll wait for a retest, then an entry for the above target. Hit the like button if you like my content, and if you get to know something new today. Each one of your like encourages me to bring such more content to you. Very nice. Without giving any opportunity, it straight came to retest. Straightly touch the target. See how beautifully and how exactly it touched this line. If you want to ask anything regarding trading or any doubt you have, you're very much free to ask. I'd love to answer them, your queries. I hope today is not any news event. Is what's the date today? 6th. Oh, today is also a high impact news. It's for Canadian dollar, but still. I think this big candle is the effect of that news event only. Let's wait. Nothing else we can do. If we get something, then we'll surely take a trade, otherwise, we'll leave it. So, this analysis is almost it's over. So, one more analysis is a bullish pattern here. Let's see if we get it or not. With such big candle, there is no point of taking any trade, right? Because these are majorly manipulations. See how market reacts to levels. Oh, even if once only, but it reacts, which means at these points many people are sitting. Some have buy orders, some have sell orders. That's why market reacts to these levels. If this candle is a strong bullish pin bar, then we can take a trade, because you can see there's a double analysis in role. This was a trend line which was broken, and you can say that it's a retest of this trend line also. Plus, it's a support from good level. Plus, if it's a pin bar, then that's a good bullish candle. So, this may be also a good trade if it's a bullish pin bar kind of candle closing. Let's see. It's breaking out. Let's see. So currently we are not interested in anything. If it's an engulfing candle, then we may look. Just wait and watch. Nothing else. No anxiety, no FOMO, nothing. Just keep waiting. So let me make it very clear. If this green candle closes above this body, I'll be taking a buying trade and we'll see how it behaves. Then I'll be looking for a target, maybe this, maybe this, maybe this. Most probably this will be first TP, not this. Then we may aim for this also, right? But what is the condition for the entry is that it should close above the body, right? Till then let me prepare the MT5 account, because so here you can see our trading history. So let's see whether we'll get an opportunity or not. If we get, then our stop loss will be this 50 points. So I'll be opening the trade with 0.1 lot, and this will be the first target. So I'll just write down the values. If it's required, then we'll open the trade. Lot size is 0.1, and here we will see the candle. If it closes above this, then I'll place a buy order. Okay. And if it doesn't, then not. Straight and simple. So I don't think it will close above this. So not any trade taking currently. We'll wait more. If this candle closes, then also we'll take an entry. So just keep waiting. No anxiety, no FOMO, nothing. If you get what you want, then enter. Otherwise, leave. Very, very simple. So now, if this candle closes above this one also, then it's an engulfing candle. Okay. Then if it closes somewhat near here, then our stop loss will be almost reduced, so we'll increase our position size also. Just wait and watch what happens. Yeah, what I was telling is if anything of this kind of candle also forms, then also I'll be taking an entry. Position size will be a little more. So just wait. It's 2 minutes left for the candle closing. Let's see. Will we get a opportunity today or not? So please hit the like button if you think my analysis is on point, and hit the subscribe button if you are new, because I'll be regularly bringing these live videos which will help you in learning the trading and clear funded challenge. So the body of this candle stands at opening 15922.3. So it's a red candle. Okay, I am not interested currently. See, it's a red candle still in here only. Okay, so I'm not interested currently. If this candle forms, then also I'll take an entry. If this green candle is closing like this only, then I'll be taking the entry for a buying trade. Clear? Let's see the market conditions. If I feel these are good, then today I'll teach you something new. First, let's see we will get an entry or not. Still, it is an engulfing candle. If this closes above this, I'll take an entry if it's a green candle. Okay, I'm very clear. Let's open the chart here only. If we find this as a green candle above this, then I'll open the trade. Simple, clear. And lot size will be 0.13. So I think it's going to close. No, it won't close. Yeah, it closed. I am taking an entry. Okay, 0.15 buy. Okay, I have placed a buy order. Clear? And this is the stop loss point 15,893. Let's make it 15,892. Clear? So I have opened the position. You can see we have opened it here. Why? I was very clear that if this candle closes above this, then I'll open it, because in my knowledge it's an engulfing candle still. Clear? So now you have to just wait and watch. So let's tell our Telegram members that we have opened the position. Always keep a stop loss, because you may never know when you get a huge big candle and you may get your account blown up, right? So after opening the position, try to place the stop loss very quickly, or if you have enough time, then even before opening the trade. Place the stop loss. So we have our confluences tick. It was a retest for trend line. It's an engulfing candle. It's a good support level. So all the confluences are tick. Just one today which I skipped is that double bottom, because trend line was an additional confirmation for me. And now our work is over. We have to just wait and watch whatever happens. If we hit the target, no excitement. If we hit the loss, no sadness. That's the rule of trading. Just neutral. That's it. So we are at $75 loss currently. It's a stop loss. Okay. So this is the losing trade today also. $100 loss, exactly 1%. Am I sad or am I tensed? No, nothing at all. Why? Because I know these things keep happening. I have pretty much experience of similar things, and these things keep happening very regularly. There were 3 winning trades in a row, now there are 4 losing trades. There may be 5 losing trades, there may be 6 winning trades in a row. Everything is possible, very much it's possible. Okay, so no anxiety, no sadness, nothing at all. Just keep your heads up because you follow your rules, and if you are having stop loss, accept it with both the arms open, right? Because if you learn to accept loss, then you will be capable of digesting the profits. Very simple rule, right? So see you all tomorrow. It was a nice trading session. Why I'm saying it's nice? Because we learned something new about funded challenges and we follow our rules. After that, whatever happens is just the byproduct. These are the losing trades, these are the winning trades. Let me show you the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. So now we are at $0.3, 0.3% loss. Okay, and our win rate is 42%. And these are the trades. You can see I'm not hiding anything, I'm not overshadowing anything. Everything is very much crystal clear in front of you. Clear? So see you all tomorrow. It was a nice session. Take care. Bye bye. Your friend, your host, Dr. D.